I got many things, got joints and beams inside my trebuchet. Launching balls with ease, got glue and grease inside my trebuchet. I got power, tension, stress and strain inside my trebuchet. Got compression, though, torque and shear flow inside my trebuchet. It was made like this, performed like this, ingenious conception. It rotates like this, gyrates like this into a brand new weapon. I will contemplate and calculate the forces in my head. Concentration's what I read. It's that I got
sandbags, that's that counterweight inside my trebuchet. I got shear graphs, I got moments building in my trebuchet. I got bend, I got flex, shit that info on my trebuchet. I got nails, that shear flow showing stresses on my trebuchet. I just throw again, then throw again, repeatedly it serves. Yeah, that's it again, the apple through the sky, fly like a bird. Transfer moment to release that volleyball across the yacht. I know how it works, I know just how it works. See, it's a
masterpiece of wood and screws, that is a trebuchet. Problem is, all that bending wood inside that trebuchet. Stop are about to break, brittle stuff inside that trebuchet. 90 failure plane, tension ain't the killing force I gauge. Timor circle is most definitely coming in very clutch. Expecting failure will help you much. This is Europe, so this gun. I know power, push that launching arm with shearing, bending pins, rotation stresses, beams, opposing force that from the twist was generated. Yeah.
Engineers create, born inside the mind. Scorpions built to hold that weight we made. Concentrations from that hole where we were careful to negate. Bending joints well with cross beams and trusses we know will not break. And it will hold like it's supposed to with no creaks or cracks or hurt. Low bearing members take the extra work and spread it along the flattened dirt. The wide base stops a flipping torque and the rope is way too strong to break. The reason trebuchet still works, salute the field, engineering's great. I got energy, stored energy.
This is why stress analysis is so important. Without it, we'd never be able to make working structures, except for the pyramids.